Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be veganizing another fast food recipe, the Quesarito. You guys seem to be really enjoying this little impromptu series that I started, and I'm having a lot of fun making them for you guys. So if you don't know what the Quesarito is, it is a Taco Bell creation. Apparently they stole it from Chipotle when I was researching, but basically they took a quesadilla and used that as the outside tortilla of a burrito. So you're getting extra cheesy goodness, and it's pretty delicious, I won't lie. This is filled with seasoned rice, a vegan ground beef, vegan sour cream, vegan nacho cheese, the quesadilla, a little bit of vegan chipotle mayo, and it is delicious. So I'm excited to show you another veganized fast food recipe, and let's get into it. Let's start this off by making our vegan ground beef replacement. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of olive oil into my pan, and I'm going to spread that around. Then we're going to add in some chopped up onion, let that cook for a few minutes until it gets super nice and fragrant and the onions are a little bit translucent. And then we are going to add in our ground beef replacement. I'm using the Beyond Meat Feisty Crumbles, and you can use any one that you like. I mean, there's so many options out there. I have a ton listed in the blog post. And if you don't want to use those, you can use beans or lentils or anything you like, really. So I'm just gonna let this cook up for a few minutes. And then we're gonna add in our taco seasoning. Just double check your taco seasoning doesn't have anything weird in there. Sometimes they have milk powder for some stupid reason, so double check that. Onto our seasoned rice. I just cooked up some nice fluffy white rice, and we are just going to add in taco seasoning and tomato sauce. And I added in a little bit of salt. I didn't show you guys that, but just a little, just a taste, and mix that all up. And it is going to be so easy to make this and so delicious. It has such good flavor. I really enjoyed eating the rice this way, and it's so easy to make. Finally, let's do our nacho cheese sauce. So I actually use the cashew fiesta dip from Trader Joe's as my base because I did not feel like taking out the blender today. And I'm gonna add in some vegan cheddar shreds from Whole Foods and non-dairy milk. I will have the full recipe on the blog for how to do this with the blender if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you. And if you have an allergy to nuts, I also have an alternate recipe for you on there. But basically, I just let all of this melt up and get really bubbly and gooey, and it will thicken a bit as it cools. And that's it. Super easy nacho cheese sauce and no blender required. All right, so now let's make our quesadilla. I'm going to spray my pan with some coconut oil spray, and I use these quinoa flour tortillas, so I just had to warm them up for a few minutes. So I'm just warming up the one tortilla. I'm gonna link them down below because they were really good, and if you're gluten-free, I think they're a great option for you. And then I'm gonna add in my bottom tortilla, and we're gonna add in some vegan cheddar shreds, and these are the ones from Whole Foods. So I spread those out, and then I'm gonna add that other tortilla on top. And I just put a lid on there so it steamed nicely. Only cook this for about 3 minutes, doesn't need to cook for very long. Then we are going to add the seasoned rice in there first. We're gonna make our little burrito from this. Then we're gonna add in the vegan ground beef. We're gonna add in our nacho cheese sauce. And then we're gonna add in some tofu sour cream and the Sir Kensington's vegan chipotle mayo because there's a chipotle sauce on the real one, and I figured this was the easiest way to do that. And now we're gonna roll this up because I did use the gluten-free tortillas. It does take like a little bit of time to roll these up. They were a little bit harder, but they rolled up just fine, and if you use a regular tortilla, it'll be super easy. Now we're going to bring this over to our pan, cook it on both sides for about 3 minutes just so it gets nice and crispy and browned up. This also helps to seal the whole quesarito up so nothing is spilling out. And now comes the magical part of cutting it in half, the best, most exciting part of it all. So, ready? Ready for the inside? Ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. That nice outer cheesy layer, the rice, all the sauces that we put in there, everything. And this is so good. Here is your final quesarito, looking absolutely delicious, absolutely banging, sexy, vegan goodness. And it's just amazing. I know you guys are gonna love it if you try it. And I was so happy to get to eat this. You'll get 3 quesaritos from this recipe, so that's also really good too because you can make them and save them or freeze them if you'd like. Alright guys, and that was our recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you tried this out, be sure to take me on Instagram, send me a DM, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Does this remind you of the original Quesarito? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? I just love to hear back from you guys. If you like my videos, you already know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm letting you guys know I'm gonna drop it down to 1 video a week right now because I have an ebook that I want to be working on, and videos twice a week, every other week is a lot. So 1 video a week will help me to just have time to work on the ebook and still put out content for you guys. So I hope you're okay with that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on next Thursday with another video. Bye.